Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to home science class for the student of class 6. Today I will discuss lesson 4, unit 1. Okay, student, let's get started our class. Student, have a look on this topic. Class 6, subject home science, chapter 1, lesson 4, reading done topic. Okay, and lecture 3, homework number 3. And this is my name, Shiuly Saha, my mobile name, and today's date. Now get started. Lesson 4, root of trees in protecting home environment and improving the decoration. So in this lesson we learn that how we can protect our home environment and how can we improve the decoration of our home. Shumi has made a garden of vegetables and fruits in the small courtyard of their home with the help of her father and planted flower plants in tubs along the veranda. So in these lines you can say that Shumi planted some flower plants in tubs along the veranda with the help of her father. She waters the plants every day and clears weeds from them. We know after planting any type of trees, we have to give water in these plants. So she waters the plants every day and clears weeds from them. She picks the vegetables and fruits herself. Fresh vegetables and fruits help all the members of the family maintain a good health and cheerful mind. We know that fresh vegetables and fruits that can maintain a good health, and it is very important for our good health. We can follow Shumi and plant various kinds of trees to improve our respective homes and home environment. If we live in urban areas, we may plant various kinds of plants in tubs and arrange this along the balconies and on the rooftops of our apartment houses. So if we live in our city areas, we may plant our trees in tubs or rooftops or veranda, balcony, like these places. Okay, we get quite a number of benefits from trees. These are, so we can get many kinds of benefits from trees. These are given in that. We can see here some benefits, okay, that we can get from trees in the above lines. Oxygen that we breathe in. So student, you know that oxygen that trees give us, that we breathe in. Nutrition from vegetables and fruits. We will we can get nutrition from vegetables and fruits. Flower plants for enhancing the beauty of our home. So which type of plant enhances the beauty of our house? We know flower plants that increases the beauty of our home. Large trees providing shadows for our home and making the environment comfortable. And many houses are found to have open courtyards. Such courtyards may be cleaned and used for making flower garden in the one in front of the house and a vegetables and fruit garden behind. So if we have any courtyards or in our houses, we can divide our courtyards in two groups. In one places we can plant a flower garden, and another place we can plant vegetables and fruit garden. Plantation in tubs and along the courtyards and its care. Plantation in tubs and along courtyards can be made in two ways. We can plant our trees. Number 1, showing seeds, and another planting saplings. That means saplings means small trees. Okay, small plants. Whichever of the above ways of the plantation is chosen, the site is to be developed first. So whichever of the above ways, okay, if you select any of these ways from these two ways chosen, the first things will be you have to develop your site first. In case of courtyards, it should be made free from weeds and the land should be leveled. At first, we have to level our lands and free from weeds. After that, the soil is to be made loose by means of shades, cow dung and organic manure is to be mixed. Organic means without any kind of artificial insecticide with the soil to make it fertile. That means cow dung or organic manure is to be mixed with the soil to make it fertile. Okay. The next step is to sow seeds or to plant saplings. All kinds of trees, large or small, could be planted in the courtyard. We can make plantation of mango trees, jackfruit trees, coconut trees, betel nut trees, guava trees, etc. in our home courtyards. Besides, various seasonal vegetables can also be cultivated here. So, on the moreover, we can plant many kinds of vegetables okay, in our courtyards. In absence of courtyards, plantation could be made various vegetables, grafted plants and various seasonal flowers in tubs of various sizes, big and small. At first, we have to prepare the tub to plant a sapling. At the same way, you have to prepare a tub if we want to plant some plants in our tub. In this case, a piece of sapling should be placed straight up the surface of the tub. Then the big buds and dry leaves should be put on. Now, the tub should be filled in such a way with manured soil so that the space of 2 inches remains empty at the upper portion of the tub. So, in this way, we have to put our tub 2 inches remains empty. Okay, 2 inches keep our tubs 2 inches empty at the upper portion of the tub so that we can give water on it. After the sapling is planted in the tub, regular watering is needed as seedlings and saplings come out. There should be arrangement of drainage of water too. Sometimes the soil at the base of the saplings needs to be loosened with the help of some spoon or spatula like appliances to help sun rays or air get into the soil and retain its moisture. So, weeds, if found growing at the base of the plants, should be immediately removed as it retards plant growth. Various types of insects more than often invade and cause harm to the plants. During such occasions, insecticides should be applied. Okay. Thus, you can certainly understand that a good and healthy plant or tree needs lively saplings or well-fed seeds, light, air and water, manured and good soil, regular care. So, these things are needed for our good and healthy plant or tree needs. Okay. Now, come to the next point. This is our homework number. It is homework number 3, and here are given 3 short questions for you. You have to prepare these 3 short questions answers by reading this chapter's lesson. Okay. Number 1, which type of plant enhances the beauty of the house? Number 2, which is essential to make the soil fertile? Number 3, what do we get from this? These are these questions are for our homework. So, students, do your homework at home and submit it on next Saturday. Thank you all of you.